No one goes anywhere without their phone. Even when you're going off the grid, you carry it with you. But what do you do when there's no service and you need to communicate from the backcountry? Now you can easily connect your cell phone to over 60 satellites, making your cell phone one of the most useful backcountry tools. Introducing the Bivystick. Bivystick instantly turns your mobile phone into a text messaging, location sharing, SOS sending, weather forecasting device from anywhere in the world, giving you the ability to communicate when you really need it. For those situations when you might just need a little help, Bivystick gives peace of mind to you and your loved ones. Bivystick allows you to send and receive text messages from your phone via satellite from anywhere in the world. With flexible data plans, you don't have to commit your adventure budget to an annual contract and huge activation fee. Just activate your Bivystick before your trip, only for as long as you need it. Using the Bivystick, you can share your location via text message or social media. Others can see where you are at all times on our detailed topo maps. Get lost easy? The Bivystick makes it easy to track your path and leave breadcrumbs, helping you to know where you are and where you've been. When things really don't go as planned, you can send an SOS message and get in contact with local emergency services. Communicate with them throughout the process to ensure a quick, safe rescue. When you're wondering if you should wear your tank top or your turtleneck, Bivystick gives you access to detailed weather forecasts for your location. Keep your phone charged with the 6,000 mAh backup battery to ensure it is always ready to communicate. All of this seamlessly integrated with the Bivy app and its database of more than 40,000 trails, climbing routes, and waterways, so that you can find new adventures everywhere. Not only will you feel safe while you explore the wilderness, your loved ones will sleep easy by keeping track of your location and status. The ultimate tool for the modern-day adventurer. With Bivystick, you stay safe and found.
We are COALATREE. We live for adventure in both the mountains and the city. Our products enhance your outdoor experience, offer comfort and style, all with an eco-minded approach. Introducing the Camper Hooded Jacket. The Camper Jacket stands out as one of the most lightweight and packable puffy jackets of its kind. Insulated and water resistant, the Camper Jacket helps you be prepared for any situation. Whether you are in the backcountry or just headed to work, the Camper Jacket has you covered. Zippered pockets keep your items secure, perfect for traveling and adventure. An interior side pouch is perfect for holding larger items. With a headphone port built into the pocket, you can easily access your phone and enjoy your music hassle-free. The Camper Jacket also stuffs into its own pocket, so it's easy to take with you anywhere, and even functions as a small portable pillow. Equipped with elastic pull strings, Velcro wrist straps, and fluffy insulation, the jacket locks in your body heat to keep you warm. With multiple colorways available, there's a camper down to fit any style. With the help of our backers, we have launched some of our favorite and best-selling products to date. With your support, we are able to design, create, and continue to offer high-quality gear to the masses. Please back, share our project, and be a happy camper.
This is Dave Chelsnick, world record holder in resting. Wherever you put him, Dave will rest. Out of all the resting apparatus, Dave obviously prefers the hammock. But lately he found that a hammock, great as it may be, presents many glitches that can muddle up a good rest. So he teamed up with the good people from Crua to create Koala. A hammock designed so you don't ever have to stop relaxing. Koala has everything needed for the most restful of rests. A pillow, a bug mesh, an option to take out the spreader bar so you can rest more cocoon-like, and even a tablet holder to hang your tablet as you watch it. But that's not all. See, for example, what happens when Dave wanted to rest his beer in his old hammock. So, Koala not only has a pocket for the beer, it's a beer koozie, so that the beer stays nice and cool. Cool. Koala has 8 different sized pockets. Here's a quick list of stuff you can put in them. And inside, there are 3 water-resistant pockets for Dave's phone, tablet, and valuables. So, much better than where he kept his phone in his previous hammock. Koala is light and very easy to carry, so there are no second thoughts about taking it camping. Surprisingly, when imagining Koala, Dave also thought about talking to other people. With Koala's unique multi-position system, Dave can easily transform Koala into a sitting position. Now he can talk to his beloved friends. When it rains, Koala's rain tarp lets Dave nap away even in the pouring rain. Because it's so well designed, Koala can double as a bed with the attachable hammock quilt back. Dave can easily slide into the hammock and pull the quilt over himself, but he lets his loving friends do it for him. And here's Dave under the quilt. Here he is turning on Koala's LED lights, probably because he wants to read. No, it's another beer. If Dave desires to rest somewhere else, the quilt can also be used as a picnic blanket. Koala is Crua's 4th Kickstarter campaign, so you can be sure they know how to create and deliver great camping gear. They made sure every stitch of Koala is perfect, and that the fabrics are the most comfortable possible. Dave, you agree? He won't even pick up his head. What a champ. So if you too want the most restful of all hammocks, get Koala. It's Dave approved.
We carry gear that we trust, because we think adventure should be enjoyed until the very last bite. Meals are an essential part of being in the outdoors, and to us, the sporks on the market have never quite measured up. So we decided to create one that does. Introducing Morsel, a versatile utensil for cooking, eating, and cleaning. A tool designed to rethink the way we eat on the go. Morsel has a unique rubber edge that allows you to easily scrape every last bit of food. The ergonomic asymmetrical shape fits plates, pots, bags, and bowls of all shapes and sizes. The extended length is perfect for digging deep without getting your hands dirty. Morsel also features a full-sized fork and a safe cutting edge for slicing through tough foods. We've spent the last year designing, prototyping, and testing. The result is the best camping utensil we've ever used. If you've been hungry for a better utensil, your search is over. Morsel, for every last bite.